Just announced that it is going to sell its autonomous driving unit to Toyota for $550 million. This is in a bid to reach that adjusted EBITDA profitability target. The company says it will now reach it sooner than expected by the third quarter of this year. Remember that both ride-sharing companies here in the United States, Lyft and Uber, have been trimming expenses over the last year or so amid the pandemic to help achieve that profitability, adjusted EBITDA profitability. That is, Uber last year sold its self-driving unit to Aurora. So you're seeing certainly some consolidation in the self-driving car space. This time it is Lyft, and you can see that shares are up about 1.5%. They were up as much as 5%, guys. It may be because investors were already expecting Lyft to hit this measure of profitability this year.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.